Sanibonani bafethu, I hope ni-right ne-grain emtororo bafethu. We're back again with another transfer news bafethu. HR lessons as usual bafethu. Let's get into it. Kaizer Chiefs have signed a new goalkeeper. They are doing the full goalkeeper reset ahead of the 26-27 plus CAF Confed Cup. Ronaldo Lini was signed 1 day ago as a second signee after Thabo Moloisane. Ronaldo Lina was a free agent because Sekhukhune didn't activate contract extension clause. Chiefs have beaten Orlando Pirates and Amazulu in getting Ronaldo Lina's signature. He got a call up to Bafana Bafana where they were playing with Panama match this year. Bafethu, I think you have to leave your comment, Bafethu. I want to ask something. Is Chiefs signed the right goalkeeper here? According to your knowledge nje about soccer, because mina mangibheka, this is a experienced goalkeeper. If it's only a collab from internationally, from Hugo Bruce, which means no experience, which means he can handle the pressure, confed, because since we know he Chiefs, they have confed cup of it, they will need experience goalkeepers abazokhona ukuhandlelisha pressure from confed teams of it. So nina ngicabanga kanjani ukuthi is Chiefs signed a right goalkeeper this time or not bafethu? Ngicela ukuzwa ngani on comment section bafethu. Siqhubeka bafethu. Human resource breakdown, depth plus competition, HR strategy. Current goalkeepers at Chiefs are Brandon Peterson, Bruce Vuma just got 1 year extension. Bruce is the longest serving player. Bafethu, masi break it down our HR bafethu, we can tell what's okay fine. For example, in a company, like there's no pressure if you 7-1 in the particular position. You can do as you please, span, sometimes provide the service as it should be. But as soon as we pressure more people, experience njengawe, quality njengawe, then the competition arises. Same as football, bafethu. Ngoba Chiefs add more of goalkeepers, which means the competition your goalkeeper is rising. Should wonke umuntu kumele esebenzele ibheji la, more especially goalkeepers who have international experience, which means wonke umuntu kumele push at it level base, because last season i-Chiefs ikhosteke ngawo ama-goalkeeper errors. So I think the new coach urealizile ukuthi okay fine, la mele lungise khona kakhulu it's goalkeeping section bafethu. Ronaldo Lina was a free agent. Kaizer Chiefs used Sekhukhune's contract mistake and free agents to rebuild without big transfer spend. That's a smart profit and loss. Bafethu, big shout out to Ubuhlakani Kaizer Chiefs, HR team behind the Chiefs, technical team behind Chiefs, because they waited for the right time ukuthi iSekhukhune iflow, because maybe there was a back and forth maybe of imali between iSekhukhune and goalkeeper wabo. So kwaba khona ukuthi mhlambe khona la bangavumelani khona, so i-contract yangakavuseleleka ngalowo ndlela. So i-Chiefs ibone igap la, that's why ivele jump into signing this goalkeeper as a free agent. So sometimes you have to wait, sometimes you have to have technical team enobuhlakani, HR team enobuhlakani, ukuze sometimes uthole a international player or goalkeeper with lesser money or even free, because now bamtholile goalkeeper as a free agent. So sometimes it's all about timing, it's all about ubuhlakani be-technical team yakho along with your HR team of it. Experience plus international. Ronaldo Lina have the Bafana Caps. Chiefs need stability for CAF Confed Cup. International goalkeepers handle pressure. Sike sayithinde bafethu lento le of international experience goalkeepers bafethu ukuthi they can help many zakuma international competition like your CAF Confed plus everything nje align with CAF Confed bafethu this international. So if we're gonna have goalkeepers like Ronaldo abane experience, then you are closing the gap, because sike sathimba ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs iyaba ney'nkinga ngokuthi ibe nama-goalkeeper error. So I think they are trying to close the gap, plus international pressure idinga goalkeeper international pressure idinga goalkeeper abane experience internationally. Another HR lesson bafowethu, talent acquisition isn't about one superstar. It's about depth, cost control, and profile fit. Chiefs lost points last season because of goalkeeping error. HR fixed the problem with free agents, young talent, and international experience. Thanks for tuning in, bafowethu. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, bafowethu. Any input, bafowethu, any idea, bafowethu, you can just write on our comment section, bafowethu. The channel is it's song, bafowethu.